Okay, so another essential shape for modelling is a pear shape, and you hear me talk about more, and I say more cone than pear, but it's the same shape, or egg shape, same shape. So again, soften the sugar paste up. I'm making this one a little bit larger. Okay, so that's been warmed it up. So first of all, you want to get into a nice ball, and we'll always start with the ball first because we want to get rid of the cracks. Okay, so nice and smooth. Now there's a few ways we can do the cone. One way is if you've got warm hands, just put your hand out at an angle, and obviously if you roll back and forward, it's going to create a cone. Okay, so you can see there, so a nice cone. Or we can use our hands. So on the side, hand on top, and roll back and forward. It's a bit faster doing it that way, and you can see there, nice cone. Or you can do the gravity one. So hands together, go back that way, and it's just the weight of the sugar paste going down helps to get the cone. And you can see there, we've got a cone there as well. So how to make a cone.